What's up, guys? So it is snowing like crazy outside, so we are actually gonna go outside. I don't have a GoPro or anything, but I'm just gonna take some photos and do like a small clip of the car outside in the snow. So nothing too crazy, guys. So if I had a GoPro, I would definitely shoot the video trying to do like a little snow drift in the in the parking lot. But let's see how it is. It's supposed to snow all day, maybe all night here in Wisconsin. We do have a severe winter storm warning, so we'll see how much snow we get till tomorrow. So we'll see what's up. Look at all this snow. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Woo! Man, this is crazy, guys. I am definitely not taking this thing out for sure. Holy crap, guys. What do you guys think? Think this car gonna make it? I actually live in this apartment building, in case you guys are wondering. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely not taking this. Let's see how much snow we got here. Probably not much. I want to say maybe 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches at the most. Let's see the tire tread on here. Well, I mean the truck came and plowed it, so realistically we had, I think, about 4 inches of snow so far. So let's check the tread here, how packed the snow is. I'd rather be driving in packed snow versus wet snow, because then wet snow turns into ice. Yeah, so dang, that's crazy.